Good morning friend, myself Reena Patel for LJIT. Our subject is alternative fuel and power system in automobile branch. Today we discussion about chapter number 10, other alternative fuel. Okay, means other alternative fuel, there is a two types of other alternative fuel, EPF and DME. Today we discussion about the topic is what is the introduction of this EPF, means eco-friendly plastic fuel. Okay, and the process, then advantage and application of EPF. And second is other alternative fuel is DME. We discussion about the next lecture. Okay, let me start. First we discussion about this EPF. What is EPF? Means eco-plastic fuel, eco-friendly plastic fuel. Okay, so first a new set of organism, the technology is help to convert non-recycling plastic into fuel. Means the crude oil and the industrial feedstock process is vary, but this is technology is known as plastic to fuel. Means the waste plastic material is convert, means non-recycling plastic into the fuel, and this crude oil and this industrial feedstock, this process is vary, but this technology is known as eco-plastic fuel. Okay. Second point is the technology is toward is search on waste plastic management is being carried out of war putting. Okay. Means today, according to this survey, this conduction year, this 2003, this more than 10,000 megaton this plastic is generated every day in India. Means according to survey, means to search in year 2003, this more than 10,000 megaton plastic is generated every day in India. Means the waste plastic, you can also the manage the pollution to reduce the pollution, and also the environment eco-friendly, means environment management. Waste plastic to convert the new product to fuel, and as a fuel you can use as a different types of this application, use as a automobile, and also the another application, the use of plastic to fuel. Then also the plastic is made to refine this crude oil to gasification, involve this waste plastic into air or steam to produce a valuable industrial. This can be used as a produce diesel and petrol to burn this directly into coal and generate the electricity. You can see the plastic is made from refine this, means refining this crude oil. Gasification involves the waste plastic into air or steam to produce a various industrial gas mixture is called the synthetic gases or synthetic synergases. This can be used as to produce as a diesel and petrol, burn to directly to coal to generate electricity. Means the plastic is convert, the first is liquid form, and then also the pyrolysis process you can this convert, and distillation process you can convert the plastic to fuel. This is a basic simple definition of what is a eco-plastic fuel. Second point is process diagram of eco-friendly plastic fuel. So you can see the diagram of this eco waste plastic. You can also this waste rubber tire. Okay. You can also the pyrolysis plant. Means this is a basic pyrolysis process. You can convert this plastic to crude fuel oil. Then fuel oil is converted in distillation plant. After roll this plastic bucket, then roll waste plastic and waste tire rubber. Okay, you can convert this pyrolysis process, means heating process, you convert this powder form, and this powder form is converted to fuel oil. Fuel oil, then after distillation, refining, reforming and distillation process, you can convert this diesel or petrol. It is a simple process diagram of eco-plastic fuel. Then second point is process of eco-plastic fuel. Means the inverted process is involve this degradation, this waste plastic using this catalyst additive, and it's different way from the generally exiting this pyrolysis process. Main is pyrolysis process. You can convert this some temperature and heat is provided and convert this powder from in pyrolysis plant. Okay. Then second point is the laboratory scale setup was developed in batch mode, in which individual as well as the mixed plastic is successfully converted into fuel. Means the laboratory scale is set is continuously batch process, and it is individual as well as the mixed plastic is very successfully converted into fuel. Third point is the non-commercial this 5 megaton per day. This plant operate in continuous mode. Okay, this is a plant operating continuous mode. Then also the product is obtained in the process are the liquid hydrocarbon, means HC. Liquid is 65 to 75%, then LPG is liquefied petroleum gas is 15 to 20%, and residual coke is 8 to 12%. This is a simple process of eco-friendly plastic fuel. Then second is what is the advantage of this eco-plastic fuel? So first, all types of this plastic waste means is use CD and this flopping have this insert the laminated this plastic and can be used in process without any cleaning. It is the first advantage of this eco-plastic fuel. Then second point is biomedical waste is another the waste material in useful biomedical waste. It can also can be used the plastic to fuel. Then also the 1 liter of this fuel is produced from 1 kg of plastic waste, and it is a product of this coke and LPG fuel, means cook oil. So 1 kg plastic waste material you can convert this manufacturing this process in pyrolysis and distillation process. After you can convert this 1 liter fuel. Okay. Then second point is also the possible this dioxide formation is railed out on during this reaction this involving this PVC waste, polyvinyl chloride. And since the reaction is carried out this comes of absence of oxygen, means it is another disadvantage of eco-plastic fuel. And also this inactive process which is 100% of this waste is converted into valuable added product without any environment pollution. Means the best benefit of this waste plastic management, you can convert this 100% this added new manufacturing product without any pollution. Waste management first point is main advantage. Then reduce the pollution, also the land pollution, also the biomedical waste. You can see our technologies to convert the non-recycling this plastic in converted into fuel. It is a main advantage of this environment be eco-friendly and this environment management, and to reduce the pollution, the waste plastic management. It is an advantage of this eco-friendly plastic fuel. Second point is application of this eco-plastic fuel. So many applications. This means EPF is high of furnace of oil, then this boiler fuel, foundries egg. boil fuel and these boundaries act. Because of this high calorific value, it can substitute this conventional fuel like this petrol for heavy motor vehicle for private use. It is an application of this eco-friendly plastic fuel. So today we discussion about this other alternative fuel. The first point is eco-plastic fuel. What is a eco-plastic fuel? Then this manufacturing, this process diagram of eco-plastic fuel means stepwise how it is converted to plastic to fuel. First is waste plastic, plastic and also the waste tire rubber. Then this converted in pyrolysis process, the heat is provided, it convert this powder form and this convert this oil, crude oil. Then crude oil, this after the distillation process you can convert the diesel or petrol. This simple process diagram of EPF. Then what is the advantage of this EPF and what is the application of this EPF fuel? Thank you.